Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro boasts 13 cooking functions that make cooking incredibly simple. Two of my favorite modes include the warm and reheat presets. If you're wondering how they're different, let me explain. Reheat is ideal for yummy leftovers, like pizza, and it'll heat them up without browning or drying them out. And let's be honest, who doesn't love leftover pizza? To reheat, place your food in one of the included pans or dishes. Center the dish on the wire rack to promote all-round airflow of the food. Close the oven door and use the confirm dial to select the reheat function. Select desired temperature and heating duration with the dials and hit the Start-Stop button to activate cooking. The reheat temperature time can be adjusted and the convection and frozen settings altered before or during the reheating cycle. If working with frozen foods, you can toggle the frozen button at any time in the cooking process. The frozen button extends the cooking duration slightly to ensure your food is reheated thoroughly without burning the outside. Now let me talk you through the warm function. This mode will keep hot foods at a recommended temperature that prevents bacterial growth, around 160 degrees Fahrenheit or above. Much like the reheat process, place your meal in the appropriate dish and center it on the rack. Select the warm function with the confirm dial. You can use the temperature and time dials to set the corresponding temperature and cooking duration. And press the Start-Stop button to activate the warm function. On both of these cooking presets, you can choose between no convection, convection, and super convection. As you switch between the options, the set cooking temperature will recalibrate to compensate for the convection fan increasing cooking rates. You can also engage the Rotate Remind feature to remind you to rotate your food for even heating. Bon appetit!